What's up, YouTube? This is Michael the Entrepreneur coming back with some more entrepreneurial content. Welcome to day 2 of the 10-day challenge. So let's get into it now. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do that right now, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so whenever I drop some entrepreneurial content, you are notified. Also, if you are new to this channel and this is your first time, being in my channel, go to this video so you could take the information that you learned there and bring it here. So what you guys learned in yesterday's challenge is you came up and you thought about your business idea. So now that you have your business idea, we are gonna build upon growing your business. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna conduct market research. So let's talk a little bit more about market research. The reason why you want to do market research is because you want to test or measure the valuability of the market. So the way you do that is by gathering information so you can predict if the business or the idea that you are coming up with can survive in the current market. So the way that you do that is by conducting different types of market research. And there's two different types of market research. One, there's primary. And primary research is anything that you do that collects information. So it's through surveys, it's through actually face-to-face or just conversations with people that are spending money for that particular product that you were trying to sell. So there's two different goals within primary research. And the first one is going to be getting face-to-face feedback on a particular product or service, which is very valuable. And then number two kind of plays off of that a little bit, but then you're going to be able to identify what a market pain is. And market pains are very simple. They are things or improvements that current customers that are paying for that service would like to have. It could be something as simple as a trimmer that I have. Let's say I cut my facial hair and I want to cut my facial hair in the shower. I don't know. But one of the market pains that I would have is I love the trimmers, but I wish it was waterproof. So that is a market pain. So someone that's coming in to actually, buy into the market or create a product for the market, they can look at that and say, hey, maybe if I make a cordless style of clippers, I will be able to get a certain piece of that market because of that market is speaking that they want a cordless clipper. So that's just an example, but you can apply that to a lot of different things out there. So the next type of market research is going to be secondary research. And this is going to be information that you collect through a third party. So there are a lot of resources out there. Some of them are free and some of them are not. But essentially there are places out there or businesses out there that collect data from a certain industry and then they package it up, turn it into reports and graphs and charts and all these amazing things that people can then go in and download, an Excel sheet or a graph so you can analyze that information for that particular industry at one glance. Now, as I said before, not all services are made equal. Not all services are free. So you just have to figure out what's out there for you. But the main goal of secondary research is collecting that data so you can actually analyze it and see, other things. So the difference that you get between secondary and primary research is you can actually get really specific information when it comes to secondary. So you can get trends, you can get age ranges, you can get locations of where the customers are buying. You can find out a lot of different things when you are getting your information through secondary research. So now you have your plan of action. So the first thing that you're going to do is I want you to create a survey. You could do this by yourself. You can either just go in, type it in yourself, create it on your phone and text it out to people. You can do that. I don't suggest it, but what I would do is I would use an online survey database or platform. The one that I would recommend is JotForm. You could take one of their templates and customize it to your liking. You also have SurveyMonkey out there, which is the industry leader when it comes to collecting surveys. So go into those. If you want to know how to use those, I will most likely be dropping a video right here where I'm going to be explaining how to create a survey in JotForm. Okay, so you're going to create a survey and you are going to send that out to as many people as you can. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to look on the web and find the websites of your competitors. They could be their own websites or they can be, a page, an affiliate page that they have, on, Amazon or whatever. Find your competitors, go to their website and look into their comments and or their testimonials. And what I want you to do is I want you to get at least 3 to 4 market pains. If you can identify 3 to 4 market pains, you're in the clear and you're doing really well. Now, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to go into Google Trends, and I want you to take your business idea and I want you to just break it up into at least 3 different phrases. Okay, so if you want to start a mobile detailing company, you're going to type in detailing on the go. That can be one phrase. And I want you to go into Google Trends and I want you to type that in and I want you to see how many people are searching for that. Then I also want you to go in and I want you to try 2 or 3 other types of phrases that you think other people that are looking for that service are going to type into Google. And I want you to analyze and see if there's a lot of people that are searching for your service. Now, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to go into the description down below and I want you to click on the link to the SBA website and I want you to click market resources. And what you're going to do is you're going to follow the steps in there and they're actually going to connect you with different resources to actually gather, secondary research for your particular industry. Thank you guys for your time. I'm happy that we are powering through this. We have now put day 2 in the books. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.